Have you ever seen a bird unfold a majestic fan? In the next few seconds, you'll discover some amazing facts about the sunbittern. This bird is native to the tropical regions of Central and South America. Sunbitterns are known for their unique wing patterns. When they spread their wings, they reveal eye-catching, eye-like spots. These spots serve as a defense mechanism against predators. Sunbitterns are solitary and territorial. They build their nests near water, using sticks and leaves. Did you know their call sounds like a loud, piercing whistle? They primarily feed on insects and small aquatic animals. Sunbitterns tend to stay hidden in dense vegetation. Their camouflage is so effective, they're often hard to spot. Intrigued by the sunbittern?